Welcome to an immersive journey through the world of Rajputana Stainless Limited, captured in stunning 360-degree virtual reality. Nestled along the picturesque Halol Kalol Road in the vibrant heart of Gujarat, India, Rajputana Stainless Limited stands as a beacon of steel craftsmanship. Since our inception in 1991, we've been synonymous with excellence in stainless steel production. Here, on this sprawling 20-acre canvas, we craft a myriad of stainless steel products, from billets to wire rods, round bars to hex bars, and more. Now, as we embark on this virtual tour, let's delve into the very heart of steel making, witness the magic unfold. It all begins with scrap processing. Here, we receive, meticulously quality check, and sort scrap into different grades. Each grade finds its place in dedicated sections, setting the stage for the next step. Once sorted, the scrap is then transferred, ready to embark on its transformation. Now, watch as scrap materials meet intense heat in our electric melting furnace, where temperatures soar to 1600 degrees Celsius. As the scrap melts, we introduce AOD refining. Oxygen is blown into the molten iron, removing impurities, forming slag, and allowing for the addition of alloying elements to create precisely the steel composition we desire. As the molten steel emerges from this transformative process, it's time for continuous casting. Here, the steel takes its semi-finished forms, like ingots or billets. The molten steel gracefully flows into molds, where it solidifies and assumes its desired shape. From here, the steel embarks on a journey through our rolling mills, where magic truly happens. During hot rolling, semi-finished billets from continuous casting are heated and sent through rolling mills. It's like sculpting, but with extreme temperatures. Round bars, square bars, hexagonal bars, flat bars, and wire rods all take shape here. For added strength and durability, our heat treatment processes come into play. Techniques like solution, annealing, hardening, and tempering are carefully applied, each serving to bolster the steel's capabilities. Further down the line, at the cold rolling mill, the hot-rolled steel may undergo another transformation. Cold rolling further reduces thickness, enhances surface finish, and ensures the bars are perfectly straight. behold the cold finishing section, where steel becomes bright bars through a series of meticulous processes. Surface coatings may also be applied as needed. The result is steel products of impeccable dimensions, surface quality, and enhanced features. Further enhancements are performed in the finishing stage. Cutting, machining, and surface treatments are meticulously executed, ensuring the steel meets precise requirements and specifications. And now, in the final inspection phase, our skilled quality control team takes the spotlight. With meticulous precision, they conduct a comprehensive evaluation, ensuring that every product meets the exacting standards and specifications set by our discerning customers. Now, products are carefully prepared for their next destination and packed to meet individual customer demands. From here, our steel embarks on its journey, transported across states in India and spanning the globe, connecting with over 40 countries. Here, in all directions, you'll see our industry standard certifications like ISO 9001, 2015, and more. These certifications underscore our unwavering commitment to maintaining the highest standards in every direction. That concludes our immersive journey through the art of steel at Rajputana Stainless Limited. Every step, every direction, a testament to our legacy and commitment to crafting steel of the highest quality. Rajputana Stainless Limited.